December 10th, 1914. There was a massive explosion in West Orange, New Jersey, United States of America. 10 buildings in a factory owned by the legendary inventor Thomas Edison were engulfed by flames. 6 to 8 fire departments rushed to the scene but could not curb the chemical-fueled inferno. After having tried all that he could, as Thomas Edison calmly stood there, watching the fire destroy his entire life's hard work, his 24-year-old son Charles came over and stood next to him. In a childlike voice, Edison said to his son, "Charlie, go and get your mother and her friends. They'll never be able to see a spectacular fire like this in their entire life." Astonished and shocked by his father's response, Charles asked Thomas Edison, "Our entire factory is being burnt down to ashes, Dad." Thomas Edison replied in complete composure, "Yes, our factory is being burnt down to ashes. But all the mistakes we have made so far in the factory have also been burnt down to ashes. We will start all over again tomorrow." That evening, Thomas Edison told a New York Times reporter, "Although I'm 67 years old and I'm completely exhausted from running around and trying to control the fire, tomorrow I'll start all over again, afresh." And so he did. The next day was a fresh beginning for Thomas Edison and his son Charles in trying to rebuild what had been destroyed by the fire. Often, this is what life does unto us. Our dreams are shattered, our hopes broken, efforts baffled. Great people, they don't cry. They try to rebuild their dreams. Great people don't give up, live up to the challenges that life throws at them. Great people don't go through, they grow through the difficulties that come on their path. They start all over again with great hope, with great determination, with great grit. And that is why they reach the highest peaks of success that most people only aspire for. That is why I say, no challenges, no success. No challenges, no success. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, can you all hear my voice? Please raise your hand if you can hear me properly. Great. So, how are you all? I guess yesterday's session was so nice that you all are sitting here again. So, how many of you are here who want to just grow through their life? Who all want to grow through their life? All must have seen this video. Just raise your hand who want to grow through their life and they accept this fact: when there is no challenge, there is no success. How many of you agree with me? When there is no challenge, there is no success. And who all are ready to face the challenges in your life, in the forever, in network marketing, which you're going to face in order to grow yourself? Let's do one thing today. I am just opening the chat box where you can, like, we can have a conversation over. Just give me a minute. Yes, guys. So chat box is open for everyone now. Now you can transfer your wordings to me through this chat box. Ki who all are ready to face the challenges and want to grow through the process? Please let me know through the chat box. Let's see. Yes, ma'am, I am. Amruta. Okay. Only one person? How many person are there? Around 27. Okay, me too, me too. Great. Chalo, great. So till now, have you guys got some knowledge about the process? Ki what is network marketing? What is forever? Let's have a quick refresh about the process. Okay, so I just forgot to tell you one thing, that for you guys, especially before it was the paid trainings, but now it is not a paid training. We have decided to create a boot camp, a 2-day boot camp where on our level we will provide you the 100% knowledge about our program, about this entrepreneurship, about forever, about network marketing, each and everything. So from today and tomorrow, like today and tomorrow will be the 2 days for the boot camp where we will try to provide you with the complete knowledge. Now it's your duty to gather the knowledge. So my first request, as I have the request yesterday also, if you are giving me 1 hour, so be here, be attentive, be interactive with me, clear up all your doubts with me. Just keep yourself apart from all the distractions, all the family members, all your friends, every single person, and just concentrate over here, because today what I'm going to discuss is going to be quite, you know, includes maths. So you need to be, thoda sa attentive. You need to be attentive over here. Okay, so I give you 2 minutes. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Just get your diary and pens, your copy of registers, anything, because you have to note certain things that I'm going to tell you today. Hurry up. Just bring your diary and pen. Okay, so have you all guys brought your pen and paper to write? Shall. Okay, so yesterday we started our training with the dreams. See, today also I am again discussing about the dreams, because if you have goals in your life, you can achieve anything. And if you don't have your goals in your life, you can't achieve anything. So my first step, you all were asking from your people now who have invited you, Kima, what we have to do exactly. So note down your first step. Your first step is to make a dream book. Any one of you have ever made a dream book? Ki all things you want in your life, what are your dreams? I have made my dream book. Ki within 6 months I want this thing, within 1 year I want this thing, within 5 years, within this thing, with a proper time period. I have built up my dream book. Similarly, if you'll have a dream book, you will have a clear passage to your success. because you can very well calculate ki whatever you want in future, accordingly what you have to do it today. How many of you agree with me? If you'll see your dreams regularly, when you wake up, when you go to sleep, in the day 10 to 15 times, if you see the same thing, it gets into your mind. What I did, I can give you an example. What I did, we almost use around 40 to 50 times uh, our mobile phones. We see our mobile phones around 40 to 50 times in a day, right? So what I did, I made a wallpaper of my dream and put it as a wallpaper on my mobile phone. I made a collage of my dreams and put it as a wallpaper on my mobile phone. So whenever I pick up my phone, I can see what are my dreams. And this makes me run faster. Ki, nahi, today I have to do this, I have to do that. If I won't do this today, then I won't be able to get that. So your first step today is to make a dream book. You need to list down all your dreams with a specific time period. Then only your actions will be properly defined. Ki whatever you want, you'll achieve it. So who all will be making the dream books, and I'll be getting your dream books? You can share up to the people who have invited you and they'll transfer it to me, or you can share it on my Instagram also directly to me, that yes ma'am, you have said me to make my dream book and I have made the dream book. Please raise up your hands who will make their dream books today, who will define their dreams today. I want to see each and every person to raise their hand. Otherwise, I'm going to pin you out and I'll have a conversation with you that don't you have the dreams who are not raising their hand now. So let's see who have raised their hands and who have not raised their hands. Okay, Shivani, yeah, you have raised your hand now. Okay, great. Chalo, everybody has raised their hand. So I want your first step, your first work is to make your dream book. Next, when someone asks you, ki, suppose one of your dream is to buy a Lamborghini. Now Lamborghini costs so much, and whatever you are doing today, you can't buy that Lamborghini, right? So people must be, laughing at you. Yeah, what you are dreaming of and what actually you're doing at. So you can give a very well planned. You see, to achieve all those things, what all you can do in your life is the thing which I discussed yesterday. Either you can become an employee, either you can start up a traditional business, or you can start with us. That is, you can start with Forever. Quick refresh. When you start with as an employment, working with your own two hands, no time freedom, limited income potential. If I say if a Lamborghini suppose costs around 80 lakh rupees, even if you are earning 50,000 monthly, you'll be able to save around 5% of it. 50,000, 5% is 2,000 rupees around, right? 2,500 rupees. 2,500 rupees ko how much, for how many years you'll accumulate so that you can get 80 lakh rupees. So can you imagine, abhi you are just 20, 21. Once you'll reach at 50s, then only you'll be able to accumulate that 80 lakh rupees. So our motto here is to start young and retire young. So for that, you need a plan where at least you earn 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, and out of that 5%, 10% you are saving, and that you can accumulate and buy a Lamborghini for you, right? So this is the reason what is the difference in employment and Forever. Now let's come to traditional business and Forever. See, in traditional business, there is a common saying, and you all must agree with me, when you invest in crores, you earn in lakhs. When you invest in lakhs, you earn in thousands. And when you invest in thousands, you do not earn anything because it's a very small business. It takes around 4 to 5 years to settle down. Then you earn in hundreds only. Who all agree with me that yes, ma'am, this is the fact. When you invest in crores, you earn in lakhs. And when you invest in lakhs, you earn in thousands. But Forever is a company, Forever is a platform where you do not invest in thousands, where you don't invest in lakhs, where you don't invest in crores, but it gives you opportunity to earn in thousands, to earn in lakhs, to earn in crores. So who all are ready to grab this opportunity where you don't have to invest anything, but you can earn in crores? Okay, so this I have explained you yesterday also, but a quick refresh. So how does Forever work? See, what generally happens is this is the factory where the product is being manufactured. Then after that, it reaches to distributors like national distributor, then regional distributors, right? And these regional distributors then give it as to the wholesaler. Suppose if I take this pen, okay, which company has produced this pen? Flair. Okay, so this there's a factory of Flair, so they have produced this pen. Now this pen will be transferred to the distributors. These will reach to wholesalers, wholesalers to retailers, and then to consumers like us. So there is a big chain. So if I say this pen is costing around 20 rupees, we are getting for 20 rupees, but the actual manufacturing cost of at the factory is just some pesas. Okay, some paisa, then it reaches to distributors in 1 rupee, 2 rupee, then wholesalers to 4 rupees, then retailers to 10 to 12, 15 rupees, and then to the consumer. So my single point is that the product is not costing much. The income out of this product has been distributed to so many people, and what we actually do is, see, this is an indirect channel. What we actually do is we come into the direct channel. Direct channel how? Like this is the I would say this is the product of Forever. This is our aloe vera gel. Forever has produced this product. It gives this product to our distributors like us, and then we directly approach to the consumers. So we are into the direct channel. The income that distributors, wholesalers, and all these people were getting, retailers were getting, they take all these income from them and use it in the product quality. And the income, the part of the profit that they spend in advertisement, they share it with distributors like us. So here, your work is to become as a distributor of Forever Living Products International. You are the promoter for the company. You are the brand ambassador for the company. The work that Shah Rukh Khan, Alia Bhatt, and all these actresses are doing now, that you have to do it. You have to promote the company. Everybody must be thinking, yeah, why Forever is giving in lakhs to Krishna sir, Tarang sir, Ravi sir, to everybody, every single person who is working here. Reason being, because we are promoting the company. Is this thing clear to you guys? Like why companies paying to us? Companies paying because we are the promoters for the company. You would never ever seen the ad of Forever Living Products International on YouTube, on Hotstar, at television, anywhere, because company is being promoted by us and company believes in mouth promotion. If we are promoting and because of us the company's products are being moving in the market, moving through people, then we are being benefited out of that. Is that clear to you how the process is being worked? Please raise your hand if you are clear with this concept, that there is a direct channel. We are being paid because we are acting as a promoter, brand ambassador for the company. I guess everyone is cleared with this. Now let's come to the fact. Let's come to some amazing products. See, we are having fast moving consumer goods. Like for suppose, let's take an example. One product is your luxury shoes. Okay, so let's say Adidas shoes that cost around 10,000 rupees. And on the other hand, we have the health products, daily use products like shampoo, conditioner, and all these things. Now, which company's products will be repeated? What are the fast moving consumer goods that are being used again and again, again and again, again and again? So buying a luxury good is not to be, preferred by each and every single person, but buying a shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, and all these things are the necessity of the people, necessity good for the people. So the business of the fast moving consumer good is more rather than the luxury goods or the goods that are not being the requirements of the general public. So first of all, the products that we are dealing in are the fast moving consumer good. Because of that, you will get the repeat orders. Are you all guys writing all these points? Are you all noting these points? Because nobody is going to explain you these points again. And for explaining all these things to your parents, to the person whom you will take the suggestion, you need to clear them all these things. Are you all guys writing? Chalo. Okay, great. So we have the products that are giving you 100% guarantee. Plus, they are being certified and they are being approved in 165 countries. Guys, can you imagine? Certifications, there are so many companies who are selling the product, right? But they are not having the certifications of 165 countries. Can you imagine the purity level? Can you imagine the quality of the product that they are passing the test, laboratory test, genuineness of the products in each and every country? Each and every country. So the products are of a high level quality. And one more thing, see, if you want a high quality product now, then the prices are accordingly. How many of you agree with me? If you want a high quality product, then you have to pay for it. It is not like a product that is costing 1600 with a high quality thing, you can get it in 200 rupees. So that is not possible. Okay, so either you can compromise with the price or either you can compromise with the quality. And according to me, what I generally think is people are ready to pay the price in order to get the best quality. How many of you are here that believe that quality comes over the price? Many of you. Many of you think this thing that quality matters more than the price. See, if you are paying for it, now you are getting for it. And I have a demo for it. How many of you want to see the purity of the products of Forever Living Products International? I am telling you in advance, you're gonna get like baffled, totally shocked. What is this going on? Because it's like a miracle. When I came here for the first time, now I just saw this experiment. I was like, shit, what is this happening? The products that I'm using since years, I have no knowledge about it. What actually I'm using and I'm paying for it. I am going to show you an experiment. But before that, I would like to discuss some category of the products. We have aloe vera drinks, we have weight management, we have nutrition, we have bee products, personal care and skincare. In short, we have each and every single product that a human being requires. That if you go to your friend, if you go to your aunt, if you go to your uncle, if you go to your mom, if you go to your dad, teachers, every single person requires our product. So I'm showing you one demo. See, this is our aloe vera gel. Okay, I am just going to show you one experiment. Just give me a minute. I'm going to compare. Acha, before starting with the experiment, just tell me everyone, lower your hands please. Everybody lower your hands so that I can just see how many of you do that. Lower up your hands fast. Vaishnavi, Sunny, Karuna, please all lower up your hands fast. I have a short time. Please lower your hands. Gauri Kumari. Okay, everybody has. Now, how many of you are using beehive products like honey, and how many of you are using aloe vera gel? Please raise your hand who are using honey and aloe vera gel at their place. Many of you. Today, I am going to just show you the experiment of our two products, and that is more than sufficient for you to trust on the products. See, what I am doing is, I have taken two transparent glasses. Okay, two transparent, in that I have added a water. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I have taken a betadine. See, what happens is, I am claiming this thing, my aloe vera gel detoxifies the body. See, the work of aloe vera gel is to clean your body, because it is good for the skin, it is good for the health, it is good for each and everything, because its main work is to detoxify. Now, what happens is, whenever you are hurt, you apply betadine on that, because it, get your wounds back to the normal position. So what I'm doing is, I am taking betadine and mixing into the water. Reason being, because the chemical properties of betadine is same as the chemical properties of our body. So what I'm doing is, I am taking this cap and adding some betadine to it and adding into the water. Let's mix it properly. Okay, I have added this betadine. Now I am equally dividing this water. Is it equal? Is it equal, guys? Okay. Okay, on one hand, I am taking this aloe vera gel. Get some more water. See, I'm not showing the name of this, but you can recognize the product. I'm just comparing the market aloe vera gel with this forever aloe vera gel. Okay, generally people are using the brands like Patanjali, Dabur and all. So let's see what actually these brands are selling. I have added some more water. Actually, I have added more betaine. So these are equal, right? So this is one, this is the another. Can you see the cap size? This is very deep. I am taking one cap size of this aloe vera gel and adding to this glass. Can you see any change? Yes, there is a change. What? You can see the hard aloe vera gel particulars into this. Can you see? There is no as such change. Let's add one more cap. Let's see, something might happen because you guys are so much trustworthy on this Patanjali aloe vera gel. I have added one more cap of this. Can you see any change till now? No. Now let's do some tricks for forever aloe vera gel. Let's shake this. Can you see the cap size? This is less deep than that cap size. I'm just adding one cap size of this into the another glass. See. Can you see the change? This is how forever aloe vera gel detoxifies our body. Can you see the difference? This is just a single product demo. I'll just tell you one price comparison into this. See what happens is, okay, let's have some Patanjali, help Patanjali to detoxify as well. Oh, I have taken a lot of water. Chalo, we can do this thing. Now let's see the comparison. Acha, how many of you like this? And this is something like, wow, what is this different product all about? Now let's have a difference. See, this is 1 liter aloe vera gel, and we also have 1 liter aloe vera gel. This is 330 ml. We have a single bottle of 1 liter also. That you can see there. Can you see that yellow color bottle? I have all the products of Forever, by the way. I'm using each and every product. This is 1 liter aloe vera gel of Patanjali, and this is 1 liter aloe vera gel of Forever. Okay, this cost around 250 rupees in the market, and our aloe vera gel cost around 1672, approximately 1680 rupees, right? 1680 rupees. Now let's see the comparison. When you go through the ingredients, it is properly written that it is having 9.544 pure inner leaf. It is having, suppose, 9.6% pure inner leaf. And in our aloe vera gel, it is being certified that we are having 96% pure inner leaf. Now, this one bottle is giving you 9.6% pure inner leaf. To reach at 99.6% pure inner leaf, how many bottles of Patanjali you'll be requiring? 10 bottles. One bottle costs around 250 rupees. 10 bottles will cost around 2500 rupees, right? In a single bottle, we are claiming 96% according to the certificates, but actually it is 99%. Let's forget about 99% also. 96% aloe vera gel in a single bottle, and that costs around 1672 as the MRP. Now, which product is costly? This product or this product? Type in the chat box and let me know fast. Is 2500 greater than 1672 or 1672 is less than 2500. Now what people generally do is when people go in the market and they say na, we want aloe vera gel, now they are believing onto this because this is 250 rupees. This is easily affordable to each and every person because people run about lower cost products. But do you really think your 250 rupees is worth it? You are spending 250 rupees. I would say this is totally a waste for you because you are using water. 1 liter water costs around 20 rupees, and for that you are paying 250 rupees. And people find this product costly, that you are costing 1670 rupees. Just give me a minute. Can I get this bottle, please? You are paying 250 rupees because people are like, yeah, 250 rupees is so easy to buy. And this product that is 1 liter, similar 1 liter product, that is costing around 1672 rupees. How many of you are now going to buy this aloe vera gel for yourself and for your family? But after seeing this product, please raise your hand. I want to see your hands raised. Who now understood that this product is not costly as compared to this product, because 250 rupees that you're spending here is totally a wastage of money. And that is my main concern, because our health is more important. Even if I'm spending 1000 rupees more on a product now, but I just want to have a good quality product. This is just one product. Let's come to my favorite product, that is Forever Bee honey. Can you see the color of the honey? You must have used Dabur honey, or you must be having some pure honey from farms or something like that. I can bet. I give you all an open challenge. Get honey from anywhere, whether from your house, own produced, Dabur, etc. At any company. You can bring honey of any company, but you can't get the color of honey or purity level like this. You'll have a yellowish goldenish honey. If you are using honey at your place now, you can easily compare the quality of the honey by its color. You are not getting honey of this color. Second point to note about the honey is, when you keep this honey in fridge or even outside during these days, there is layers. You know, layer comes where the chashni, that is the sweet thing that is being added, sugar thing that is being added into this honey, it gets separated from the pure honey. But can you see any of the layer into this product? See the consistency level. This is not at all, you know, settled down. This is all in a pure liquid form. And if you taste this thing na, your parents are going to say one thing: hamare zamane ka honey. This is the honey that we used to use in our young age. Okay, now the product where Google says is the best tooth gel in the world. If you write, just note down this point that you have to cross check. Write it on the Google, world's best tooth gel in the world. You'll get the name of Forever Bright Tooth Gel. See, it is written on the top, no fluoride. Most of you must be using Colgate, Pepsodent or like. Just check at the back of it, it is written that people above the age of 6 years can't use it. Why? Because some chemicals are added into it that is not good for the health. Here it is written nothing like that. My sister, my cousin sister, she's just 1 year old. She's using this toothpaste. Reason being, I can share you one experience of mine. No tooth gel in the world is like you can intake into your body. Can anyone intake that tooth gel in the body? Can use their tooth gel apart from brushing? We have 8 to 9 uses of this single tooth gel. Sorry, around 18 uses of this single tooth gel. Whenever I feel low now, what I do is I mix this tooth gel in the water and drink it. Whenever I feel like feverish, I drink it. Whenever I feel like pain in my throat or something like that, I just mix it into the water and drink it. I give you an open challenge. Bring any toothpaste in front of me and just drink it in your body. And you just remain as it is, whatever you are. You're not into like hospitalized in the hospital. Can any one of you do that thing? Whatever the toothpaste you are using, can you consume in your body? Nobody can. I can consume this to gel in my body. And this is the purity level of our product. See, this was just a trailer. We have so many products, where we have so many specialty things into that you cannot decide which product to use and which not to use. We have such products with us. How many of you are excited to use our products? Because see, I tell you one thing, a best consumer is a best promoter. Chat box, just let's have a good conversation in the chat box. Okay. Oh, right. Patanjali, quantity matters, forever quality matters. See, our quantity is almost same. We are also providing you what, that 1 liter aloe vera gel, and Patanjali is also providing you 1 liter aloe vera gel. There is no difference in quantity, but there is a huge difference between the quality. So who are all going to use the forever products? At least try the forever products to check the comparison. Fast, I should see many messages over here. Good. There are how many people in the meeting? Around 24. I want 24 messages in the chat box, otherwise I am not going to explain the marketing plan today. Great. See, I am recording this session, okay? If you'll deny in the future, no, I'm not using the product, then I'm going to talk to you personally. Chala, good. So this was a short demo about the products. Rest, you will get the information about the products through the people who have invited you. Let's move on. Now, let's come to the marketing plan. How income is generated over here? Who all want to learn about how income is generated? What will be the income you can achieve in the very first month from this platform? Okay, now what you have to do is you have to note down the points that I am telling you. First point, what you have to do is the person who has invited you, you have to ask them, kindly share the joining link. I want to start working with you. Kindly share the joining link. You have to fill up that form of the joining and then we'll submit. After your form is submitted, you'll get a 12-digit FBO ID, Forever Business Owner ID. 12-digit FBO ID, and you'll get a password and the login details. You can easily log in your ID at Google, that the person who has invited you will properly teach you how you have to Google it on an OTP and how you have to generate the password and everything. Your ID will be created. Now you are eligible to start using the products. You can purchase the products for the company's website and the products will reach at your place. Okay, so our first point is to ask for the joining link, fill up the form and create up your ID. Clear? Now let's come to the main point, how income is generated. See, can you see the CC everywhere? CC is written. Now what is this CC? How many of you want that I should write and explain you, or how many of you want that I should just speak by looking at this? If you want that I should write and explain you guys, so I can do that as well. I don't have any problem. You can write your views in the chat box. How many of you want that I should write and make you explain? CC's case credits. Oh wow, who knows about this? Chala, good. Wait. I'll just write and explain you through the. Okay, can you all see that black part where I'm going to write? Is it visible to you all? Now let's see what is CC. CC is case credits. Now what is case credit? Why CC? You all know that Forever FLP is in 165 countries and we do the turnover of the, we sell the products, similar products into that 165 countries. For example, this is our aloe vera gel. What we have done is, if this product is cheap in our country and cost in other countries. So obviously the people who are from the outside of India, they'll come here and purchase this product because this is cheap here. Then Forever will be working only in India to make this equalize, that the cost of the product that is in India and outside the countries is similar. We have given weightage to these products. To give the weightage, we have given some points to this, and that points are called CC. Okay, so suppose aloe vera gel is having 102 points, that is 102 points we have given to our aloe vera gel. So what we generally do is, in our Indian currencies, when you accumulate 1000 points, when you either use it for yourself, retail the products, recommend to the people, how whatever you do, when you do a shopping of 1000 points, that accumulates to 1 cc, and approximately it is around 15,000 rupees. It is not more than 15,000. This is the highest limit, that 15,000 accumulates to 1 cc. Is this clear to everyone? Now what will be 2 cc? It will be 2000 points, that is approximately 30,000 rupees. So when you start with us, see, you have two options to start with us: either to become as a consumer or either to become as a business owner. How many of you are here to become a business owner? Accordingly, I'll tell you what you have to do. Please raise your hands who want to become a business owner rather than just a consumer, because business owner can become both a consumer as well as a business owner, but consumer can only become a consumer. Only 10 people are active over here, rest are sleeping. Guys, wake up. This is the most important part in the session. If you'll miss this thing, you won't get anything in the entire process. Still now I can just see 15 hands raised. There are 24 participants. I want each and every hand to be raised. Okay, so I guess you all are here to become a business owner. Now, to become a business owner, what you have to do is, the company starts with a name called Novus Customer. Now, what is Novus Customer? Novus Customer is an extraordinary customer. Extraordinary customer because you have given your time to understand our platform, so you are important to us. We are giving you a very good opportunity that once you fill up the form, at very same movement, when you start purchasing the product, you get around 15% of discount. This is the advantage given by the company to you guys, that if you want to have a trust on the products, if you want to see that yes, genuinely what we are saying about the products, are they right or wrong, you can easily judge by purchasing 4 to 5 products for yourself at 15% discount. Now let's suppose you like the products and you say, ma'am, I want to start with your business. I really like the products. I don't have any doubt for the products, that yes, products are really genuine. Because see, why we are focusing so much on products is, people who are belonging from business background, they easily understand every business starts with the products. If your products are strong, your business is strong. Products are strong, there is huge sales turnover. When there is huge sales turnover, there is huge profit, huge income. So everything starts with the product. The products are the base of every business. If products are not good, then you can't grow in any point. You can't grow in any point. See, when Forever started on 13th May 1978, it started in only US. If the products of Forever were not so good, it won't have reached to more than 165 countries. So products are really important part of any business. So if you like the products, then you have the opportunity to start with the business. Now let's suppose you decided to start with us. Next level is assistant supervisor level. What happens at this level is, in order to come at the business partner level, company asks you for a turnover of 2 cc. Company says, if you want to become our business partner, see, Forever is a global brand. It is operating into 165 countries. Nobody can just simply come, fill up the form and say, yes, I am the Forever business partner. You have to show your potential. You have to give a turnover of 2 cc, that is approximately 30,000. to show up your potential that yes, I am having this potential to give a turnover of 2cc and make myself a business partner of Forever Living Products. In the another training, the training that is going to be conducted tomorrow, there you are going to learn how you have to generate this 2cc business. What are the ways where you can start up with this 2cc business? And this is very, a very tidbit thing, a very small part of this entire journey of Forever. So this is not a very big deal. You'll be able to all do that because I have also done it. People who have invited you, they have also done it. Okay. So what are the percentages? Novus customer, 15% discount. Once you generate a business of 2cc, that is 30,000, you come at the business partner level, that is assistant supervisor level. Now, what are the advantage after completing to 2cc level? The discount that you were getting for 15%, now it increases to 30%. It has doubled. See, none of your company, any of the company in this world will give you such a huge discount as the profit margin. But I do not consider this 30% as the forever profit. Our main profit comes from the team building, how I will teach you again. 30% plus you will get a 5% cashback. In short, the discount that you were getting for 15%, now it has increased to 35%. Okay. Plus there is one new income, that is new joining bonus, that is 20% of the turnover. Now what actually you have to do, suppose you have become the business partner. Our main work in network marketing is two things: to recruit and to train the people. Okay. Now what happened is, suppose new joining bonus is 20%. Suppose you have completed your 2cc and you introduce 1 2 3 4 5. Let's suppose 5 people you have introduced and they have also completed 2cc. Now how they will complete that we will teach you. If one person in your front completes 2cc, you get 20% of the turnover. Turnover is how much? 30,000, right? What is the 20% of 30,000? Is 6,000 rupees, right? From a single person you are getting 6,000 rupees. Then from 5%, how much you'll be getting? 6,000 into 5 is what? 30,000 rupees. If you do this thing with 10 people, then how much it increases to? 60,000 rupees. And making people, 5 people, 6 people, 10 people to join with you is very easy. So your first month potential is around 30 to 40,000 rupees if there is a condition. If you are working in the way that we are teaching you, if you are really working for it. Okay, let's come to the next point. We have started with Novus customer, then we have reached to assistant supervisor, where the percentage is 15%, then 30%. 30% is from here to the all the levels. Plus we are getting 5% personal bonus. New joining bonus is 20%. This, are you all guys noting all these things? Are you guys noting this thing? Next level is supervisor level. Supervisor level is where you have 25cc business. See, this is not you have to do it alone. There is a team who is working with you. All the cc's by your team will be counted into this 25cc. 25cc you have to complete with your team. Now 30% you are getting. Personal bonus that was 5% has increased to 8% now. Your personal bonus has increased. So where you were getting a discount of 15%, it has increased to 35% at assistant supervisor. Now it has increased to 38% at supervisor level. Now, new joining bonus, there you were getting 6,000 from a single person. Now here you get 23%, that is approximately 7,000 from a single person. So if you are introducing around 5 people, you're getting 35,000. Plus you have some assistant supervisors in your team, you will get a volume bonus from them, that is 3% of the turnover. So approximately here you have a potential of 50,000 rupees per month. Here you have potential of 25 to 30,000 depending upon your work. See, This is not the limit that we are telling. I have some people in my team who have a check of more than 66,000 rupees very first month. And I have some people in my team who have earned rupees zero in the very first month. So it is all in your hands. See, I'm very transparent with my system. I'm telling you all the reality. You can earn from zero to unlimited income. It is all into your hand. If you're working for it, you are getting for it. If you're not working, nobody is coming at your home and serving with the money. Fair enough, right? Now, after supervisor level, see, I'm so sorry for the bad writing because I should share the screen because I guess आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. Wait. Okay. So 3% from assistant supervisor level. Next level is the assistant manager level, where the discount that you were getting for 30%, now it has increased, person bonus has increased to 13%. In short, you are getting a discount of 43%. Plus, the from supervisor at supervisor level, you were getting 7,000. That was 23% of the turnover. Now at assistant manager level, you will be getting 28%. That is approximately 8,400 from a single person. Plus you'll be getting the passive income from the team at see, passive income starts from the supervisor level. From supervisor level and above, you'll get the passive income, that is income from your team as well. From assistant manager level, assistant supervisors, you'll be getting 8%. From supervisor, you'll be getting 5%. Let's come to the manager level, that is the dream level in the marketing plan of Forever Living Products. The discount that you were getting 43%, now it has increased to 48%. Approximately you are getting 50% discount on the products. Okay, and you are getting 8,400 from a single person. Here you are getting 10,000 from a single person. Suppose I am at the manager level. I just cleared my manager level in December. So if I'm introducing even if 2 or 3 people now, I'm getting 10,000 from a single person. So if I introduced 5%, I'm getting 50,000 plus income from the team, from assistant supervisor, from supervisor, from assistant manager. So approximately, if I say when I reach at the manager level, your income crosses to 1 lakh rupees. How many of you are excited to become the manager, where you all want to increase your income from 0 to 1 lakh rupees? Because I have gone through that journey. I know it very well that if you are doing your hard work, it really pays you off. It really pays you off. So this is our marketing plan. This is just, a very small part of our marketing plan. There are so many things to learn. And honestly, this is not a one-time thing. You are not going to understand all at once. You have to see it repeatedly, that what are the percentages, right? So slowly and suddenly you learn the things. For you, the first point is to come from the novice customer to assistant supervisor level. That you need to understand that how you will reach to this point. Okay, so this was a thing that I was explaining you, that just fill up the form, you'll get the 15% discount. You have to generate a business of 2cc. After becoming 2cc, you'll become the assistant supervisor. You have the potential to build up your network unlimited. If you want to bring 100 people, bring 100 people. If you want to bring 1,000 lakhs, how many people you want to bring, you can bring them and join with yourself. Keep calm, because this is just the beginning. I am going to discuss 1 or 2 incentives that Forever provides. See, there are 11 kinds of income, and we have people in Achievers Club who have achieved all the 11 kinds of people, all the 11 kinds of income. So tomorrow, you are going to meet a person who has cleared all the 11 kinds of income. I hope you'll be excited for that. So first is our international travel incentives, travel incentives. So this comes after the manager level. You have to qualify all these incentives. Company provides you with the two domestic tours and 1 international tour, and they give you a stay. 5-star stays, 7-star stays. The company last time where Krishna sir and the Tarang sir and all stayed, that room cost around 70,000 per day. They were called for US and like very, very pretty places. They invite you for the for the enjoyment around 2-3 days, 4 days, 5 days, according to your achievements. They provide you with the trips. Next is the car incentive. Who all want to buy car at the earliest? Who want to buy the car at the earliest, that apart from the monthly income, Forever is providing you with this incentive. What incentive? Level 1 month, first month, if you're getting 50cc with your team, second month 100cc, third month 150cc, that accumulates to you to qualify car plan level 1. And if you are qualifying car plan level 1, every month you are getting 26,000 rupees. Does car come with 26,000 rupees? Will you be able to buy the car? I don't think so. But if you'll get this 26,000 rupees for 3 years, that accumulates to 9,36,000 rupees. Now will you be able to buy the car? Now tell me, will you be able to buy the car? Yes, you will be. In level 2, you are getting 39,000 rupees apart from your monthly income for 3 years, that accumulates to 14,04,000 rupees. And in level 3, you are getting 52,000 rupees, that accumulates to 18,72,000 rupees. And you can get a very good card with this car incentive. So we have very achievements. Yesterday also I have shown you many achievements regarding the car. Krishna sir have got Verna top model. 3 types of holiday incentives: manager retreats somewhere in India, Eagle manager retreat somewhere around the world, global rally somewhere world during April or May. We have so many people who have qualified all these things and will be going. Because of the COVID, these trips got cancelled, but this year we are hoping that we have a very good thing. 5-star treatment somewhere in India, qualifying period. See, best part about the company is they don't even tell you where they are taking you up. They just get you with a message, pack up your bags, meet at the station. And in fact, they don't even know whether they are going at a summer place or a winter place. So this is very surprising element, where you are going, with whatever treatment you are getting, everything is being surprised. Now, let's come to the biggest income of Forever. It is the chairman bonus. Chairman bonus, if I tell you, that is the Diwali bonus that you're getting. The entire turnover that you have done in the entire year, you get some percentage out of it. You remember the turnover of the Forever, that was around 25,000 plus crores turnover, billion turnover. So out of that, you get 3% of the turnover. Can you just calculate what is the 3%? That is the amount that company distributes among the people. At level 1, you get from 3 lakhs to 10 lakh. At level 2, you get from 10 lakhs to 1 crore. And in level 3, you cross more than 1 crore. Biggest check in the history of network marketing. Any guesses? Let's have a chat in chat box. Can you guess what is the maximum chairman bonus that is being distributed by the company in the history of Forever for 2 years? Can you all just have a guess? Can I have the guesses in the chat box, please? 50 crore. Oh my God, 50 crore. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else who want to share their guesses? 5 lakhs. Okay. Anyone else? 10 lakhs. Lokesh. Okay, 10 lakhs. Anyone else? 10 to 15 lakhs. Great. So, biggest amount was around 11 crores. And this is last year only. But this year, Krishna sir, our founder of Achievers Club, Tarang sir, Rohit sir are co-founders of Achievers Club. I'm disclosing, don't disclose this in front of anyone. They are going to get CB level 2 around 1 crore. Can you imagine a 21-year guy earning more than 1 crore? Apart from his monthly income, who is earning 17 lakhs, 13 lakhs, 12 lakh rupees monthly. Can you see the power of the platform? See, I'm not showing you the money, how much money they are earning, how much money they are earning, but I'm concerned with this thing, that yes, if they are able to do that thing now, you are also in a situation to earn this profit. If you work for it now, there is no limit to whatever you can earn from this. But yes, challenges are going to be there. I started with this session with that video because success don't come without challenges. If you are ready to, face the challenges, we are ready to make you to go to the path of success. So I have tell you what are the steps for the service. Step 1 is to fill up the form, get yourself joined, buy some products for yourself and enjoy that 15% discount. If you like the products, then we'll have a discussion. Tomorrow there's a discussion. Today itself, all you have to do is you have to discuss with the people who have invited you that how you can start up with the business, buy some products for yourself. Then tomorrow we'll tell you how you have to complete that 2cc criteria to become the business partner, and then how you have to start the network building process. Because around 11th or 15th of January, we are having the mentorship session. We are having Krishna sir's mentorship session that I want nobody in this training should miss that session. Reason being, there you're gonna get a 6-month action plan from how from 0 to 1 lakh you can reach to yourself. What all things you have to do, how you have to build up the network. Last time around 10 to 15 people yesterday who I'm shared, like Bani, Harsh, Arpan, Rima, and all these people who have invited you, they have attended the mentorship session. You can ask them whatever happens in mentorship session, and because of that, they have grown so much. I have earned 1 lakh rupees because of that mentorship session. So if you want to grow in network marketing, if you want to grow in forever, if you want to grow in Achievers Club and cross your 1 lakh income now, you have to be there in mentorship session. I can guarantee, I can make you written in the make you write this thing. I can make you write this thing that if you attend that session, it would be the best session in your life. Best session in your life. But there is a condition. If you want to attend mentorship, you have to become the business partner. You have to complete your 2cc. You have to clarify, you have to come at the business partner level. Then only you'll be able to attend that, because there Krishna sir is going to guide you what next, how you have to build up your team. And that is the main work over here. Why SLP? Because we have the best marketing plan, we have the best products that I have told you, all these things, we have the proven management. We get the international income. You can build up anywhere your team, not only in India, in US, Canada, anywhere, and you're gonna earn in dollars or any currency. There is no risk associated with it. We are helping people. See, Ravi sir invited me. I'm always thankful to him that because of him, I am here. I am earning so much money out of it. So here you are not just building up your career; you are helping others to build up their career. No overhead, health and beauty. You'll be enjoying a good health and a beauty, financial freedom, and there is no boss. There are people to guide you up, but there are no people to become boss on your head. So final steps, you have to sign up with us, get your 2cc as soon as possible, use the products, have a good learning attitude, attend the trainings, prepare for discouragement. Okay, see, the first thing that you're going to face is when today you are going to discuss about with your family is going to say no. Network marketing is nothing. Network marketing is fake. You don't get any amount out of it. But see, it's all up to you whether you want to trust the experts or whether you want to, rely on the people who do have incomplete knowledge. So everything is there on Google, everything is there on YouTube. You can cross check all the things. Never ever quit your dreams. See, this is, I believe I have fulfilled my dreams, and I believe also you can also fulfill your dreams from this platform. It's just that you need to be confident, you need to be consistent, and you need to start as soon as possible. So who all are ready to start with me and work for their dreams? Please raise your hand. I want to see every person raising their hand that yes, ma'am, give me this assurance. Take the screenshot of this session right now and tag me on Instagram that yes, ma'am, I am ready to start work with you. I want to do network marketing. I will achieve all my dreams here. Let's see how many of you guys are really serious to achieve your dreams. Talk to the person who has invited you. Ask them, share me the link right away and tell me which products I should use and start your billings today. You'll be invited to our very special groups where we share all our training. 7:30 to 8, we have the training on daily basis to guide you all. So I want you to become part of all our system, all our teams, all our this groups where you get all the information regarding the trainings, and that will happen only when you start with us. So I'm 100% sure you all guys are going to start with us. So let's start together. Tomorrow is the final training that I'm going to tell you how you have to complete 2cc. But before that, I want to check your potential, and that I want to see all of you guys in my special group when you start up with your billings. Okay, bye bye. See you tomorrow.